Hi, in this video I will show you how you can integrate Unity ads by following few simple steps. This video is mainly guide for easy ads for Unity ads package, and I have divided this video into 6 simple steps. Open your existing or create a new project, and then open the package manager and install Unity Advertisement package. You can find it in the Unity registry option. Select Advertisement and install it. And now let's move towards step number 2. Open Unity dashboard and create a new project. Name the project and click on Create Project. And now click on Monetization and click on Get Started. For a fresh start project, you can follow me and keep pressing the next. And these are the game IDs for Android and iOS. And now click on Add Units. And these are the default unit IDs, and same are defined in Easy Ads package. And in step number 3, we will link the Unity dashboard project inside Unity editor. Open the project settings. Under services option, select ads and click on use an existing Unity project ID, and then select your organization and your project. And these are the same Unity IDs that we already seen on Unity dashboard project. And now we can install the Easy Ads for Unity Ads package. Click on My Assets and install the Easy Ads package. After installing the package, open an Easy Ads sample scene. In case you see this pop-up, just click on Import. It will import the Unity Text Mesh Pro package. It's a free default package. Select Easy Ads Manager and copy and paste game IDs. As we can see, default ad unit IDs are already defined in this bundle. At this point, all the integration is completed. Now we just need to test the ads. You can switch the platform to Android or iOS, so you can have the proper alignment of user interface. Let's play and test the project. In the start, automatically it will initialize the Unity ads, and this scene demonstrates how we can load and show Unity different type of ads. Apart from this demo scene, Easy Ads package also have a basic simple tower game, just to demonstrate how you can utilize this package in a real game scenarios. So this is the game sample I was talking about. You can explore this scene and different code files so you can get the idea how you can utilize in your game. and you can also find a guide documentation in this package. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helps you integrate Unity ads in a very simple steps.